back to the glue I keep talking about. You've got your bits of scraps of water-soluble Solufleece, and you've kept it neatly in a plastic bag. So you'll need a jam jar, a small one or a large one, depending on how thick you want your glue, and you'll need some water. So I have a jam jar and I have a fork just for mushing it about. I'm not going to need a lot of Solufleece to make a medium weight glue, shall we call it. I'm just going to seal the bag with the rest of the bits in and put it to one side. So basically, it's really difficult to do this, as you can imagine. You just pop your offcuts into a jam jar, glass jam jar, and then you just fill up about halfway with water, maybe 2/3, and then dissolve it. And as it dissolves, you can decide how thick you want it. Because obviously if it's quite thick, then you can water it down. Or we can then keep it as a paste. It's totally up to you. Now you've done your dissolving and you've felt the kind of gooey glue when you're dissolving, this making glue will make more sense. So you can see that there's still some on the fork there. So you just let it dissolve. So this would make a reasonably sort of watery paste, which would be great for papers. It doesn't go yellow, so it's pretty archival, this stuff. It's great. But if you want something thicker than a paste, then you just add more of your scraps. So this glue lasts quite a few months before it kind of goes off in the jar. It will eventually harden. So if you make it up as you need it, so I'm just going to pop a bit more in. So obviously you can use these scraps to machine into or patch things, but I do find this glue very, very useful, and I hate throwing anything away or not using stuff. And also, you know, you're buying water-soluble fabric, and although it's not terribly expensive, you don't want to waste it. So here I am making goo with water-soluble fabric and water. So that's it, really. It is as complicated as that. So whether you enjoy thick or thin glue, or shall we call it paste, do try this out because it works really nicely. I'm really pleased with it. It's not a big leap to realise that that goo is kind of gluey. So you can see how thick the paste is. So you can keep it really thick if you want it to, but I find it's quite good to water it down a bit and have it as kind of a thick paste. That works for me because I work with heavy papers. But it's up to you. You can use it how you like or not at all. So I wish you joy of your new glue.